Hey guys, welcome back. Today, we're diving into the LEGO Technic Oracle Red Bull Racing RB20 F1 race car model kit, a highly detailed and realistic building set designed specifically for adults, ages 18 and up. Before diving in, make sure to check the link below to get this today at the best price available. From the start, you can tell this isn't your average LEGO set. The pieces are precision engineered, and the build process itself is a fantastic mix of challenge and satisfaction. You get to recreate the sleek aerodynamic design of the RB20, complete with functional features like working steering, suspension, and even a detailed cockpit that replicates the driver's seat. The attention to detail is remarkable, with accurate decals and authentic Red Bull Racing branding that bring this model to life. Building this kit is a rewarding experience that combines technical skill with creative fun. It's perfect for those who enjoy hands-on projects and want to immerse themselves in the world of motorsport engineering. The instructions are clear and well laid out, making the complex build manageable without losing any of the excitement. Once finished, the model is impressive in size and appearance. It's a fantastic display piece that showcases your hard work and passion for F1 racing. The tires, rear wing, and bodywork all reflect real-world engineering, making it not just a toy but a collectible for any fan. Plus, the inclusion of realistic suspension components adds a nice touch of authenticity that you don't often see in model kits. This LEGO set also makes a perfect gift, especially for Father's Day. Whether your dad is a racing enthusiast, a LEGO fan, or just someone who appreciates well-crafted models, this set hits all the right notes. It offers hours of focused building time and a rewarding final product that's sure to impress. In summary, the LEGO Technic Oracle Red Bull Racing RB20 is an outstanding model kit that combines intricate design, mechanical functionality, and stunning realism. It's an ideal pick for anyone looking to challenge themselves with a detailed build or add an iconic F1 car to their collection. Highly recommended.